Hey, it's Dr. Mo here from Chiropractic Care Center again in Fairfax. We have Miss Rubio here. Miss Rubio actually came from Facebook, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, so she's been watching us on Facebook and decided to come in. So if you're on Facebook and you wanted to come in, just come on in. You know, you can come get a free consultation and go from there. How did it feel the first visit actually?
Great.
Yeah, you had. So she had low back pain, upper back pain. We adjusted it. She was scared in the beginning, right?
Yeah, I was nervous.
She was really nervous, and then after she got the adjustment, she's like, "Oh, this feels great." So on the second visit today, we're gonna go ahead and do another treatment. So go face down for me. Ms. Rubio just got muscle stem done and got stretch body flexion distraction. Now we're gonna adjust the whole spine here. Better too. The hip was off a little. Today's a lot less. And you had a fall when, Ms. Rubio?
March.
In March. Okay. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Beautiful. There it is. This side up for me, please. So facing this way. Straight the bottom. Yeah. Bring this forward. You okay?
Yep.
And the last part, I'm just going to deep breath. All the way out. Hello. That was you okay? That was tight. So one thing the machine did was kind of stretched out today, so I was able to get deeper in there.
Okay.
Deep breath for me. All the way out. Nice.
Oh.
Very good. Let's go face up for you. Beautiful. Okay, so that was it. Until next time. So yeah, if you're a Facebook watcher, come on in. Take care.